in this video, we want to prove that if A is a subset of B and C is a subset of D, then A union C is a subset of B union D. So let's first assume that A is a subset of B and C is a subset of D. We want to prove that A union C is a subset of B union D. So let's first let X be an element of A union C. By definition, that means that X is in A or X is in C. Now we're going to consider two cases. The first case is if X is in A. If X is in A, and since we have A is contained in B, or A is a subset of B, we have that X also has to be in B. Because if X is in A, then it must be in B because A is a subset of B. Therefore, X is an element of B union D. Now the second case is if we have X be in C. If X is in C, and since C is a subset of D, we have that X is an element of D. And therefore, X is an element of B union D. So in either case, we have that X is an element of B union D. Therefore, A union C is a subset of B union D. And that completes the proof.